Hey guys, it's Scott with Scottie B Cards, and in this video I have another break of random packs. This random pack break is going to be very interesting. We have some interesting packs here. Primarily the big ones I'm excited about are the 2003 Topps Chrome and also the 1998 Finest. Also we have 2013 Update looking for Arenado rookie parallels. Hoping to get a black Arenado rookie. That would be pretty amazing. And 2019 Update you're also looking for Tatis, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. short prints, Will Smith, and a bunch of other really decent players and a couple of really great players like Tatis and Guerrero. And then we're looking for autographs of good players, Hall of Famers, whoever else in Optic. Not a great rookie class. I think you have Trey Turner, Trevor Story, Corey Seager, so good shortstops, and that's basically it, with some decent pitchers in there. I think Michael Conforto's in here. I know he's a hitter, but not a lot of great rookies, but you can get Mookie Betts autographs in here, which is why I bought these, and I haven't pulled the autographs yet, but really fun lineup, and we're going to go probably in this order. We're going to open it up just like this and see what we can do. We're looking for refractors of Hall of Famers in the 2003 Topps Chrome, but let's see how we do. 2016 Update. This is a hot box. Same packs from that same hot box so far. So every single pack is going to have a parallel. We have an autograph in this one, I believe. Yep. So I'm actually going to save this to the side for a little bit later in the video. We're going to open this one. Maybe we'll grab that second pack after this one. And this pack, I shredded it terribly. All right, so we have a Miguel Sano. That would have been a big rookie holo back when this came out because he was a really hot rookie. But Miguel Sano, Noah Syndergaard, thought it was DeGrom for a second. On the back, we have another Miguel Sano. That's a base, and then we have our parallel. It's going to be a red. The rookies, Tyler Glasnow. That's pretty cool. Numbered to 99. So I know he's on the Rays. Doesn't get much time to actually get innings in to make himself Hall of Fame eligible or anything like that. But a nice Tyler Glasnow. The prospects numbered to 99. Let's see what this autograph is now. Let's first go to the back. I'm kind of stuck together. So our back card is a Jonathan Lucroy, Richie Schaefer, and that's going to be number 250. So our lowest of those. And our autograph is... No freaking way! No way! Oh my gosh, I got the exact card I wanted to pull. No way! What are the odds of that? That is awesome. Sheesh. That's pretty exciting. Card's not in great condition. Unfortunately, dinged up corners. But we got the Mookie Betts autograph. I never thought I'd pull an autograph because he doesn't have any pack pulled autographs at all out there. He doesn't sign and hasn't signed since 2014. So all these stickers were saved over from his 2014 days with Panini or his 2013 days Panini, and we're stuck on 2016 products. So you're never going to find his autographs in packs. So this is technically a rookie autograph if you want to look at it that way because it's from forever ago. But that pack has been sitting there forever. We pulled the Mookie Betts. I can't believe that. I'm hyped. The autograph checklist has to be a couple hundred people, and we got the one guy I wanted. So I am pretty excited about that one. Great. So that one will never be sold. That's going to get graded and stay in my collection forever, but I can't believe we just pulled that card. All right, 2019 Update. I pulled a lot bigger cards than that in the past, but that one's probably the most excited I've been on a pull in I don't know how long. All right, so Justice Sheffield. Josh Fuentes rookie. I have about 1,000 of those from breaks I've done in the past. Chasing Brendan Rodgers. Nathan Eovaldi, Michael Chavis, Trent Thornton, Miguel Castro, Adam Ottavino, Francisco Liriano, the 150. We got a Russell Martin, David Robertson. Then we have a Wilson Contreras, George Springer, Daniel Vogelbach, and JP Crawford. After you pull a card like that, it's like, I'm ready to stop opening packs, but I'm going to keep going because I want to look more at that one, but wow, I'm just kind of surprised we actually pulled it. You don't actually expect yourself to get the card you're chasing. Now we have a gold in here. Let's see if we can make it the Vladdy rookie card. A Sky Bolt, Neil Walker, Cole Irvin, Brad Hand, Ryan Helsley, Tyson Ross is our gold. Joey Gallo, Yankee legend. Then we have a Greg Holland, Tanner Roark, JT Realmuto, Luis Cessa, Mookie Betts again, and the Zach Britton. I actually have the mini parallel one of that card, probably worth like $100. Topps Finest, 1998, looking for the man inserts. There's other random stuff you can get in here like Hall of Fame refractors, but the man inserts are the ones that are really worth money. They're all numbered to 500 or less. Let's see what we can do. Oh, we have one of the mystery cards, it looks like. Oh, Stadium Stars. Who is it? Nomar Garciaparra. What a pack. Too bad that's not a better player because and the back kind of got messed up from the sticking. But nice stadium stars. That's cool. That's probably one of the not great names on the checklist. Nomar was great back then, but kind of cooled off towards the end of his career. Nice stadium stars. And we have the mystery card. I don't think I'm going to peel this. So I think it's a dual-sided mystery. That's pretty cool. I don't think I'm going to peel it yet. I have to think about it. We have a Ray Lankford, Greg Jeffries, and Tim Naring. I think I say his name. But yeah, so that's a cool mystery. Nice Nomar Stadium stars. That's a cool insert. All right, 2013 update. Now we're looking for Nolan Arenado. Let's see what we can do here. He's really the only guy that's worth a lot right now. But I've already pulled his base. Let's see if we can get a parallel. JP Howell, Justin Upton, David Ortiz, Prince Fielder. Man, what a blast to the past to see Prince Fielder. Ozzie Smith, assist record. Chris Denorfia. Then we have Paul Goldschmidt. Is that a short print? That might be a short print. Nope, that's not a short print. Matt Harvey and Zach Wheeler. I was thinking of the 2014 Paul Goldschmidt looked different, but that one is the base. I don't even know if 2013 has short prints in the same way that a lot of regular modern packs do. Oh, what's that? Oh, just an insert. I thought we might have. Oh, there's an emerald foil. All right, so I'm going to put these to the front. We'll save the emerald foil for last. Travis Hafner, Sonny Gray, Danny Salazar, Ben Sobrist, Pete Kozma, Jonathan Pettibone, Jose Fernandez. Rest in peace, Jose Fernandez. Will Myers, and Carlos Gomez. What a guy. Then we have Garrett Cole and Andrew McCutcheon. That's technically a Garrett Cole rookie card, so pretty cool. 2003 Topps Chromes. Looking for refractors. Usually after the first card, we have a refractor. So I'm going to actually have to open it right now. Jeff Francis draft pick and Sean Estes. Numbered to 699. Refractor, Nick Johnson, and David Veras. So there's about 20 Hall of Famers on the checklist. It's about a 10% chance or less to pull a Hall of Famer refractor. But that's still a chance. And so you never know if you're going to get one. Not a refractor here. Oh, it is a refractor. And this one is Joe Creed. I wish it would have been a Pedro on the front right there. That would have been nice, a Pedro Martinez. But that one is $6.99. Cliff Floyd and Marquise Grissom. All right, last pack. Let's get a black refractor of Barry Bonds. I spoke the Mookie to existence. Let's see if we can do that for... Nope, no black refractor. It's worth a shot, guys. Chris... I'm going to flip it over. Chris Benson. Andy Pettit. That's cool. Roger Cedino, and Mark McLemore. Again, the big pull. Can you believe we actually pulled it? Mookie Betts autograph. I think this might even be the holo from Don Russ Optic 2016. The exact reason I bought this hobby box. We pulled it. Pretty exciting for that one. But thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for enjoying that with me. I'm pulling a really big PC card, and I will catch you in the next one.